Hey guys, today is crunch time. We only have a few days left to prepare for this drift day. 2 exactly, we've got today and tomorrow. So hopefully Future X has the title up and thumbnail that I want. Currently, I want to be able to test the hydro. So I don't know if I'll get it done by then, but I guess we'll find out soon. I've got one of the AUs up in the air. Naki's working on his car. He's got Peter as well. They're going to install coilovers on this thing. So the funny thing is we already chopped the springs for his AU Falcon and then the coilovers just came in time. So he's going to quickly put the coilovers in before the drift day. All the fittings and everything came. We are ready to go, boys. We got the fitting. We have this fitting, which is a 3/8 fitting, and we also have a fitting back here, which is a 7/16 -20. This is a -24. So I don't exactly know where we're going to run these lines. I'm aiming to like get it to go underneath this shifter trim right here, and then come to the other side because the brake line is located on the left side of the car. Hopefully we can get some 2 holes in there nicely. The real difficulty of today is going to be bending the lines up to the hydro itself. That's going to be the most difficult part, I reckon. I've got myself some Raceworks hard lines, some 3/18 hard line, or 3/16 I think it is. There's a lot of parts that I've needed to get in order to install this hydro. And we've got ourselves a flaring tool kit. This will allow us to flare the hard lines so we can get that nice seal. Underneath the roach. I'm sure a few of you are probably confused to why we call this thing the roach. It's because AU Falcons look like cockroaches. They look like little beetles. Underneath the roach. Like I got a bit of a transmission leakerino here. Whoa, okay, I'll explain my logic here. We're at the front of the underneath of the car. Here is the brake line. This is the brake line that goes all the way to the rear calipers, and it connects right up here, I believe. So this line right here, you can see it's got a fitting in there. What we're gonna do is take this fitting out. We're gonna run from the front of this line all the way inside the cabin to the front of the hydro. Let's see how we go. Gonna disconnect this because all the brake fluid's gonna come out anyway. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. I'm so lightheaded that bolt was the end of me, the last one that I showed. Anyway, on the brighter side. Rex in editing, just remember, Slim Shady music. Dun, dun. Good. Treating the AU good, bro. Those are some premium coilovers.
Better coilovers than my Integra.
The Weekender.
That's a fucking joke.
What are your thoughts, Peter?
On the coilovers?
Yes.
I'm keen as to see how it drives.
Do you reckon he should be spending this much money on the Falcon?
I'd probably stick with the choppies personally.
Yeah. I'll show you exactly what caused me to spend an hour and a half underneath the car. I actually cut myself as well. So this is my source line that I'm using. Just at the top right here, this is a female fitting right here, and then the male fitting was just, you can see I've completely destroyed the fitting on there. There's no chance I could ever use that piece again. I'm gonna have to put my own different fitting on there if I ever want to use it again, but so this is a standard brake line. I've disconnected it. We're gonna run the hydro from this inline. So the line's gonna go all the way through here and somewhere up here. I reckon I'm gonna get the line coming from somewhere about here. That would be ideal, but it's gonna be hard to bend nicely to the hydro. So we'll see what we can do, but yeah. You're gonna see a late upload from me, and that's because in the current time zone, today's time when the video gets uploaded, I've spent the past, I don't know, how long's it been? Like hour and a half?
Minimum hour.
Hour and a half flaring this dang nut. Oh man. So I don't know if you can see that, but we got a good flare on the end. I don't know why I said nut, but good flare on the end of this hose. We got the fitting down here. Let's see if it just slides up. Come on. Yes. Yes. Let's go. We've had a bit of an ordeal. The tool that I've been using to flare the lines, thank you, has been failing miserably. It's just not been clamping properly on the line itself. So I actually went over to Turbo Tristan's place to get one of the tools, but his tool is also not working. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in a vise. I got Naka to use all this strength to clamp on this, and it seems to be working. So I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I haven't spoken too soon, but it's looking good.
Fuck.
Are you fucking
Are you
serious?
serious?
I fucking swear to God it was flaring. Fuck. What?
So
I swear.
how the fuck was it slipping?
Wait, what? Bruh.
Hit the snorkel.
It's not.
Okay, little update. How's the lighting? Is it good? So, T-minus 30 something hours? I don't know. I can't do the quick
I
math.
actually think it's 36 hours at this point.
Alright, it's coming close. I have flared everything to a okay standard, not the best standard. I'm going to do one more flare, and if that doesn't work, if that doesn't hold the fluid, then yeah, well, there's something wrong. I'm going to have to get a different flare tool. But I think we might be able to do it. I think it might not leak. I'm hoping that it might not leak. I don't think it might. I'm just hoping that it won't leak. Sorry, my words are coming out like gibberish because fucking over this shit. Okay, welcome back. It's now the next day. Last night was a little bit of a shamble. I was all over the place, you saw through while I was talking to the camera. But today, I managed to do everything. So I actually woke up at 5:30 in the morning after going to bed at 2 o'clock working on this thing. And then, yeah, this morning I went and I grabbed some tools from Sydney Tools. It was like an hour drive away, and I have the hydro all set up. Also got Mr. Peter. What's going on, bro?
Not much. I'm keen to see the AU hydro working.
It's gonna be good, man. Yeah, he just helped me bleed the brakes on this thing. Hydro is all sorted out. I actually had to change over the lines. I went with a steel line rather than a stainless steel line. But yeah, there's heaps of pressure in this. We do need to tighten everything down here. The brake pedal works as well, and I can feel the brake pedal when I'm pulling on this. But I don't know if I should be pulling on. I don't know if I should be pulling on this while I'm braking. Can you guys, if you guys know if that's not good for the hydro, please comment down below. We obviously got to clean up in here. Look at this. This is just next level. And what we're gonna do as well is we're gonna put the wheels that I got before the skidders. I'm gonna chuck them on the front and the back, and I'm probably just gonna drive up on them because I don't want to attract too much unnecessary attention with my big white genuine rays, my TE36s. So yeah, don't want to. Yeah, not good, not good. So yeah, I'm gonna chuck these on. Hopefully it should look pretty good. I'm keen. Very keen. Let's chuck these on, see what it looks like. Hopefully it fits. I'm worried that it won't clear this caliper. Damn!
Damn.
Damn, bro! Damn!
Damn.
Oh wow, that looks sick!
Looks pretty mad, not gonna lie.
Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna drive up like that. 100%, I'm definitely gonna drive up like that. I'm gonna quickly show you exactly what we did underneath the car, so you guys can understand what it takes to install a hydro handbrake. Here's the lines running to the hydro. You can see that's the inline. It's coming up here, going through underneath to inside the cabin, and then the outline comes out down around here and goes all the way to the rear brakes, and then they split off. Pretty difficult to do. Bending the lines, you can see it's not that pretty, but everything's pretty sturdy, and it's not gonna hit the tail shaft, hopefully. Otherwise we're gonna be stranded, having no brakes. I'm pretty much done now, so what I'm gonna do is get the car back on the ground, and we also have
Density boys are
the Density boys. They're back. Oh my god, bro. They just brought me some milk and it's not agreeing with my stomach, bro. Oh shit, yeah, you've been in Fiji for how long now? Fuck, and you got COVID as well?
Yeah, instead of 7 days, I got stuck there for 17.
Fuck. That's good though.
Looks
Fuck. God damn. Oh wow.
Look at that front fitment.
Oh. I could go a bit lower in the front, but looks hot, looks hot. Okay, quick little update. We're gonna get the car aligned now. Everything's all on the ground. There's actually no issues with it whatsoever. I've just mildly tested the hydro as well. Everything seems good. We're gonna take it to Nathan, and Hugh is going to align it for us. Quick shout out to Jamie, Mr. Drifter. He actually told me his alignment specs, so I'm gonna copy him. He's got 3 to 4 mil of toe out. I'm gonna go 3 mil just to be safe. He says that he changes it every drift day, and I'm sure he's trying to perfect the AU. Look at that, chaser. Nice, nice. The block. Andrew, handbrake. Did our Costco haul. We have all our booze and we have a lot of chips. Thanks to Naki. Naki really likes chips. We also got a cheesecake. Show them the cheesecake. Salted caramel.
Get the good stuff in there.
Yeah, we're heading back to the cars. Pull the handles. Dude, this is so wicked. We're currently loading up all the wheels and tires for the drift day. We actually have a full trailer. Look at that. Thanks to Peter. Yes, keen, very keen. Sorry about the wind. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm running on about 3-ish hours sleep. Just been grinding away on the car and, you know, getting everything sorted ready for a really mint weekend. I'm so excited. I know all the guys that are coming are excited. Shout out to everyone, and shout out to Michael and Prav for organizing this. Super keen. You can probably tell through my videos and editing, everything is pretty rushed because I just want to, you know, show that there's a lot of effort that goes into getting your car ready for a drift day, especially when you're trying to install hydro. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked the video, go to bankyspec.com if you want to help support the channel. I will see you all in the next one. Catch ya.